Hey everyone, today I'm gonna talk about farm animals names with picture. Number 1, goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Number 2, cat. C-A-T. Cat. Number 3, pig. P-I-G. Pig. Number 4, dog. D-O-G. Dog. Number 5, chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Number 6, cattle. C-A-T-T-L-E. Cattle. Number 7, donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y. Donkey. Number 8, sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Number 9, horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Number 10, duck. D-U-C-K. Duck. Number 11, rooster. R-O-O-S-T-E-R. Rooster. Number 12, camel. C-A-M-E-L. Camel. Number 13, zebu. Z-E-B-U. Zebu. Number 14, silkmoth. S-I-L-K-M-O-T-H. Silkmoth. Number 15, pigeon. P-I-G-E-O-N. Pigeon. Number 16, yak. Y-A-K. Yak. Number 17, goose. G-O-O-S-E. Goose. Number 18, rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T. Rabbit. Number 19, dove. D-O-V-E. Dove. Number 20, alpaca. A-L-P-A-C-A. Alpaca. Number 21, ferret. F-E-R-R-E-T. Ferret. Number 22, llama. L-A-M-A. Llama. Number 23, turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Number 24, goldfish. G-O-L-D-F-I-S-H. Goldfish. Number 25, bee. B-E-E. Bee. Number 26, mouse. M-O-U-S-E. Mouse. Number 27, mink. M-I-N-K. Mink. Number 28, canary. C-A-N-A-R-Y. Canary. Number 29, ox. O-X. Ox. Number 30, hen. H-E-N. Hen. Thanks for watching guys. So I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Then do like it and don't forget to subscribe this channel.